Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
IBM Back-End Development Lecture 10. In this lecture, we will learn about deploying back-end applications, challenges and opportunities, containerization and orchestration, simplifying deployment and scaling, performance optimization, ensuring your application can handle the load, scalability, preparing for success, monitoring and logging, keeping your application running smoothly. Conclusion: deploying and scaling your application with confidence. Deploying back-end applications, challenges and opportunities. Deploying back-end applications can be a daunting task, with many challenges and opportunities to consider. On one hand, there are the technical challenges of configuring and optimizing your application for deployment on servers or cloud platforms. On the other hand, there are the strategic opportunities of leveraging these platforms to achieve greater scalability, performance, and cost-effectiveness. In this presentation, we will explore these challenges and opportunities in depth, providing practical tips and insights for successfully deploying and scaling your back-end applications. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, you'll gain valuable knowledge and skills that can help you take your applications to the next level. Containerization and orchestration, simplifying deployment and scaling. Containerization and orchestration are two technologies that have revolutionized the deployment and scaling of back-end applications. By encapsulating an application in a container, it becomes more portable, allowing it to be deployed on any platform without compatibility issues. Orchestration tools like Kubernetes automate the management of these containers, making it easy to deploy, scale, and manage your application. The benefits of containerization and orchestration are numerous. They simplify the deployment process, reducing the time and effort required to get your application up and running. They also make it easier to scale your application as traffic increases, ensuring that you can handle any load. Additionally, they provide a level of fault tolerance, ensuring that your application stays up, even if one or more containers fail. Performance optimization, ensuring your application can handle the load. Performance optimization is a critical aspect of deploying back-end applications. It involves identifying and addressing bottlenecks in your code, infrastructure, or network that can slow down your application's performance. By optimizing your application's performance, you can ensure that it can handle the load and deliver a seamless user experience. To achieve optimal performance, there are several practical tips that you can follow. First, you should regularly monitor your application's performance metrics, such as response time, throughput, and error rate. This can help you identify performance issues early on and address them before they become major problems. Second, you should use caching and compression techniques to reduce the amount of data that needs to be transferred between your application and its users. Finally, you should consider using a content delivery network (CDN) to distribute your application's content across multiple servers, which can improve its performance and scalability. Scalability, preparing for success. Scalability is a crucial factor in the success of any back-end application. Without proper planning and preparation for scalability, a growing user base can quickly overwhelm your infrastructure, leading to slow performance, downtime, and frustrated customers. To achieve scalability, it's important to design your application with scalability in mind from the beginning. This means using scalable architectures, such as microservices or serverless computing, and implementing horizontal scaling through load balancing and auto-scaling groups. It also means monitoring your infrastructure closely and being prepared to make changes as needed. Monitoring and logging, keeping your application running smoothly. In order to keep your application running smoothly, it is essential to implement effective monitoring and logging practices. Monitoring allows you to keep track of the health of your application and detect any issues before they become critical. Logging provides valuable insights into the behavior of your application, allowing you to identify and troubleshoot problems quickly and efficiently. When it comes to monitoring, there are several key metrics that you should be tracking, such as response time, error rate, and resource utilization. By monitoring these metrics, you can gain a better understanding of how your application is performing and identify areas for improvement. Additionally, it is important to set up alerts so that you can be notified if any of these metrics exceed certain thresholds. Logging is equally important for maintaining the health of your application. By logging important events and errors, you can gain visibility into the inner workings of your application and diagnose issues more effectively. It is also important to make sure that your logs are easily searchable and accessible, so that you can quickly find the information you need when troubleshooting issues. Overall, effective monitoring and logging practices are essential for ensuring the smooth operation of your application. By implementing these practices and staying vigilant, you can catch issues early and keep your application running at peak performance. Conclusion: deploying and scaling your application with confidence. In conclusion, deploying and scaling back-end applications can be a complex process with many challenges and opportunities. By leveraging containerization and orchestration technologies, optimizing performance, and implementing robust monitoring and logging, you can approach this task with confidence. Remember to always keep the end user in mind and prioritize their experience when making decisions about deployment and scaling. With the right tools and mindset, you can ensure your application runs smoothly and meets the needs of your users.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.